So today guys, we're going to be looking at how to repair corrupt system files on Windows 10, and this can be in the form of slow performance on your Windows 10 operating system, or it can be random reboots. So if you open up admin command prompt and type in sfc/scan now, this will check through all your system files and it will try, or it will attempt, should I say, to make a repair of them. If for some reason this fails, we've got another handy command in our toolkit called dism. So we'll just go through the process with system file checker. Once this is complete, I'll be back. Hi guys, welcome back. So as you can see on screen, it actually scanned through the system files and it actually did not find any integrity violations. Even though it's actually completed the process correctly, I will show you another command you can use if system file checker does fail. So the command that you need to be typing in is dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. And this is another command that you can use to repair your system files, because there will be odd occasions where system file checker won't actually work correctly because the local cache is corrupted, so it can't actually repair. I'm just going to speed up this part again and I'll be back with you in 1 second. Welcome back guys. As you can see, the dism command the restore operation has completed successfully, and that's us finished for today.